Hello all you students. My name is Dennis Jarvis, and I would like you to discuss the question of how the Earth was created, something that many scientists have been investigating for centuries. So in this presentation we will look firstly at the scientific theory and then consider the biblical interpretation. Many scientists believe that the universe was created millions of years ago by a Big Bang, which is debatable, but let's look at this a little more. So, with the Big Bang theory, we have the Sun, flaming gas, plus all the other planets, of which Earth is the only planet that can support human and animal life. Considering the number of planets in the known universe, the chances of one of them, Earth, being habitable by humans and animals is probably 1 in a million or more. The Bible states that God created earth and the heavens. Suppose he just clapped his hands and created a Big Bang that created all the planets that we know today. All the planets are rocks or gases, and there are some small bright stars. God's a bit disappointed and decides that he needs to populate one of the planets with humans in his own likeness, but first must make one of the planets ready for human occupation. The following slides will look at how he set about this. God creates light by turning one gaseous planet into a ball of fire, the Sun, and another rocky planet into a reflection of the Sun, the Moon. As these two are both rotating at the same rate on their own axis, once every 27 days, they create light and dark, as well as weather and tides, even though they are not always visible. God chose a large planet, roughly in the middle of the Sun and Moon's orbit, and added water and fish. God then added animals and plants, so that the human he was creating would have enough food, water and shelter to enable him to live a long life. God decided he wanted all the earth to look beautiful and created a landscape of grass, trees, flowers and vegetables for all humans, animals and birds to enjoy. God decided that he would like people with whom he could interact and discuss events in the beautiful garden. First, he made a man and gave him the knowledge of all that is good, with the ability to learn about everything in the garden. When he saw that the man was lonely, he created a woman with the same mental ability. Adam and Eve were living a happy life together, and God decided that they should be able to create more humans and program them to do so. After Eve got over her headaches, they started the procreation process. The earth was now inhabited by human life, we are all that is necessary to support humans and animals. So God created a world where everyone should be happy, sharing the fruits of the earth and caring for each other. What happened next is another story. Bye for now.